UK just activated its deadliest naval fleet worth £10 billion. Russia and China are on HI alert. What Britain is hiding will shock the world.
The waters of the North Atlantic have never been more contested. As geopolitical tensions reach levels not seen since the Cold War, the United Kingdom is making a decisive move that will reshape naval power for decades to come. Britain's Royal Navy, once the undisputed ruler of the seas, is undergoing its most significant transformation in modern history. With billions of pounds invested and cutting-edge technology being deployed, the UK is sending an unmistakable message to potential adversaries. Britannia is reclaiming her maritime dominance. The United Kingdom faces a complex web of security challenges that demand a robust naval response. From Russian submarine activity in the North Sea to Chinese expansion in international waters, the maritime domain has become the new frontier of global competition. The Royal Navy, operating with some of the oldest active warships in NATO, recognized that modernization wasn't just an option, it was a strategic imperative for national survival. This naval renaissance centers on several groundbreaking vessels that represent the pinnacle of British engineering and military innovation. These ships aren't merely floating platforms, they're sophisticated networks of sensors, weapons systems, and command capabilities designed to project power across the globe. The Queen Elizabeth class, carrier strike capability. At the heart of Britain's naval revival stand two magnificent aircraft carriers, HMS Queen Elizabeth and HMS Prince of Wales. These 65,000-ton behemoths represent the largest warships ever built for the Royal Navy, dwarfing everything that came before them. Each carrier stretches 280 meters in length and can carry up to 40 aircraft, primarily the cutting-edge F-35B Lightning II stealth fighters. These carriers aren't just symbols of national prestige, they're game-changers in military strategy. The ability to project air power from international waters gives Britain unprecedented flexibility in crisis response. Whether supporting NATO operations, conducting humanitarian missions, or deterring aggression in contested regions, these floating air bases extend British influence far beyond the homeland's shores. The carriers operate with a complement of approximately 1,600 personnel, combining Royal Navy sailors with Royal Air Force pilots in a joint operation that exemplifies modern warfare integration. Their advanced radar systems can track hundreds of contacts simultaneously, while their defensive systems create protective bubbles extending dozens of miles in every direction. Type 26, frigates, submarine hunting specialists. While carriers grab headlines, the Type 26 frigates represent the specialized capability that makes naval operations truly effective. The UK is constructing 8 of these advanced anti-submarine warfare vessels, with HMS Glasgow leading the class. These ships are specifically designed to hunt the quietest submarines in the world's most challenging acoustic environments. Each Type 26 displaces approximately 8,000 tons and incorporates revolutionary noise reduction technology. Their hulls are shaped to minimize acoustic signature, while special propulsion systems allow them to operate in near silence when hunting enemy submarines. This stealth capability, combined with the most advanced sonar arrays ever fitted to a British warship, makes them formidable hunters of the deep. The frigates carry a versatile weapons package including the Sea Scepter missile system for air defense, capable of engaging multiple targets simultaneously. Their helicopter facilities support the Merlin anti-submarine helicopter, extending detection ranges by hundreds of miles. With a range of 7,000 nautical miles, these vessels can operate globally without constant refueling, providing sustained presence in critical maritime zones. Type 45 destroyers, air defense guardians. Britain's 6 Type 45 destroyers form the defensive shield for naval task groups. Ships like HMS Daring, HMS Dauntless, and HMS Diamond carry the Samson radar system, arguably the most capable air defense radar afloat today. This rotating dual-face radar can track hundreds of targets while simultaneously guiding missiles to intercept incoming threats. Each Type 45 displaces 8,500 tons and carries 48 Sea Viper missiles in vertical launch silos. These missiles can engage aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles at ranges exceeding 70 miles. The destroyer's combat systems process information so rapidly that they can respond to saturation attacks, scenarios where dozens of incoming missiles arrive simultaneously. Recent upgrades have enhanced their capabilities even further. New electronic warfare systems allow them to detect and jam enemy radars and communications. Their 4.5-inch main guns guns provide naval gunfire support for land operations, while smaller weapon systems defend against close-range threats, including fast-attack craft and drones. Astute-class submarines, silent sentinels. Beneath the waves, Britain operates some of the world's quietest and most capable attack submarines. The Astute class, with vessels including HMS Astute, HMS Ambush, and HMS Artful, represents the cutting edge of submarine technology. These nuclear-powered hunters never need refueling throughout their 25-year service lives, giving them virtually unlimited range. Each Astute submarine stretches 97 meters and displaces 7,400 tons when submerged. They carry Spearfish torpedoes and Tomahawk cruise missiles, providing both anti-submarine warfare capability and long-range land attack options. Their sonar systems are so sensitive that, reportedly, they can detect ships leaving harbor from across the Atlantic Ocean. The submarines operate with crews of approximately 100 highly trained specialists who can remain submerged for months at a time. Their nuclear reactors not only provide propulsion, but also generate oxygen from seawater and fresh water from desalination, making them truly independent platforms capable of operating anywhere in the world's oceans. What makes this modernization truly formidable isn't individual ships, but their integration into a cohesive fighting force. The Royal Navy is developing networked warfare capabilities that allow all platforms to share sensor data instantaneously. A submarine detecting a surface contact can relay that information to a destroyer hundreds of miles away, which can then engage the target with missiles guided by satellite systems. This network-centric approach transforms individual ships into nodes in a vast intelligence and weapons grid. Artificial intelligence systems help operators process the overwhelming amount of data modern sensors generate, identifying threats and recommending responses faster than human crews could manage alone. Training intensity has increased correspondingly. Royal Navy personnel now participate in some of the world's most complex naval exercises, testing their abilities against simulated peer adversaries equipped with the latest weapon systems. These exercises reveal weaknesses and drive continuous improvement in tactics, techniques, and procedures. The United Kingdom's naval modernization represents more than military hardware acquisition. It's a statement of strategic intent. In an era where maritime commerce carries 90% of global trade and where undersea cables transmit nearly all international communications, control of the seas determines economic prosperity and national security. Britain's investment in naval power reinforces its position as a leading NATO member and credible security partner. These capabilities enable the UK to fulfill commitments from the North Atlantic to the Indo-Pacific, supporting allies and deterring aggression wherever British interests are threatened. The ships being commissioned today will serve for decades, adapting to threats we cannot yet fully imagine. Their modular designs allow for weapons and sensors upgrades as technology evolves. This forward-thinking approach ensures that Britain's maritime forces remain relevant and formidable well into the mid-21st century. As global competition intensifies and new technologies emerge, the Royal Navy stands ready, modernized, capable, and prepared to defend British interests across the world's oceans. The transformation is complete. The message is clear. The Royal Navy has returned to the forefront of global naval power.
Subscribe and watch more videos.